Hey, what's up guys? This is Sami, or let me say this is Armin for first time you see it. And let me check this. Okay. As you see here, today is 9/9/2023 and we wanna go further with the next part of Solidity. What is immutable? What is immutable? This is a type of variable. This is a type of variable. This is a type of variable like constant, but value of this type of variable is only gonna be set one time via constructor. What is constructor? Let me say, for example, a constructor, generally when we talk about constructor in programming language, which is going to initialize that class, okay, going to be gives a life to that class. But there are some rules. For example, in C# or Java, constructor, the name of the constructor should be the name of the class. This is the first rule. Let's see. For example, C# constructor constructor C#. After that, Java. What you want? Or let me say, maybe this was better. Okay, let's wait because I have a very bad internet connection. Really bad internet connection. Big Tati, bad connection. Big Tati, I'm coming to this web page. Big Tati, I'm calling Big Tati. Look, internet coming. Constructor. This is not in Solidity, but we wanna understand what is a constructor. A constructor is a special method. A special method that is used to initialize objects. The advantage of a constructor is that is a call when the object of a class is created. It can be used to set initial values of the for different. Okay. Now let's here. I have a class as car. That class has a string as model. We have here a method, a special method, which the name is exact the name of the class. The name of the method is the name of the class. And then here we say that model which is not initialized. We have a string here, a string, not initialized, not value, nothing. And the value coming in constructor when the class is fires up. Model wants to be Mustang. Constructor. Okay, let's go to Java. Java constructor. Let's go to the Java constructor. Just constructor. A constructor in Java. Now this is not C#. A constructor in Java is a special method that is used just the same text. Used to object. Okay. Now we have here a public class main. This is Java code. And we have exact public main, which is constructor, and I'm gonna be initialize that x to 5. Okay, let's go other language. Bro, it doesn't matter which language. And now Solidity, I mean, we know now what is constructor. Here we have, and when we call here we are going now to make an object of that main class here. And when we make an object, and when we wanna print object that x wanna be 5, because big T here x5. Big T x5, because x is gonna be initialized here. Okay. And now let's go back to Solidity. Solidity has also constructor. I have here this one. The point is this: I have here a class or a construct as variable, but if I'm going to follow other language standards, this constructor should be, for example, the name of this class and should be variable. But this is not the case. Constructor is just like this. Constructor. It's just constructor. When you declare a word as a constructor in a Solidity contract, and here I say my constructor accept unsigned integer here, and then when it fires up, address is message sender. Skip this because you want to know what is message sender, actually how we are going to initialize a contract, or I mean use constructor for first time. That is the time when you deploy your contract. I want to show you now in real cases, okay? But this is the point. Constructor want to initialize immutable variables, okay? One time forever. Okay, we have proxy and those things, but in general you are going to, this is the rule, just constructor, accept parameter here, and then you initialize things what you want in all programming languages. And now coin market cap, let's go find constructor in real contracts, in just contracts which are now deployed with liquidity pool. And just let me see, Shiba, that is not okay. For example, let me see, what is this? True USD. Let's see. Here he has Ethereum, just BNB as well. I think Ethereum is enough. I'm going to copy this Ethereum address here. This is a stable coin, huh? I'm copying this and I say here Etherscan. I mean Etherscan. I'm coming here and I say Victati here. This contract. Let's find what we get. Chuntaract True USD token. Now let's go to the contract here. Let's find constructor in this contract. Let me see if I am going to open. Let me open this in Remix. Is likely readable. Let's open it here. And then here is going to say, okay, here we have a contract proxy. I'm going to say how because when a smart contract is deployed, you cannot change it anymore, and via proxy you implement new things. Okay, I'm going to skip this because I want to talk this about this, I mean, later. We want to find constructor. Let's see if we find constructor here. Is that possible? A contract without constructor? Nope. Here, constructor. Let's see which class here. We have a contract owner owned upgradable filan milan, which is going to implement this one, and this one is also going to implement proxy. With other words, we have all classes now here. A class, event, a pop-up. It says something happened. Again, event. I'm not talking about this. Variables, constant variables, which are just fixed, constant. I don't want to change something. That's just constant. This is just like this. Constructor, it accepts something. What's that? Set upgradability. It say when a wallet send message here, I'm going to call that. Let me see where is this method. No definition. Set upgrade. Have to find it. Function implementation, external address. Let's find it. Which function is called there? Implementation. Just implementation. Set is going to call this function. Okay, what's this function? It say when the contract runs, just call this function. What's that? It say new implementation. It accept a string, and this is internal only to this contract and parents, like this internal. And here it's going to just change things here. Okay, this is the point. I don't wanna open it here. When the contract fires up here in constructor, it say call that function with message sender who makes contract message sender, that address, that is address, because this is for this function accept a string as parameter, which is here. It say when that fires up, this address implementation is the address of the owner, pick that T, constructor. Okay, modifier, we talk about this later. Function, proxy owner, byte, assembly, owner. Let's see, there is something else here. And voila. Let's see here. That's all. Really nice, really healthy, really nothing crazy. Okay, really nothing crazy. Okay, constructor here, pink. Constructor, let's imagine when you wanna start your car, you wanna set, for example, your CD or your music player running, for example, or I don't know. You set something when the contract fires up, that will happen. It can be initialize a value, immutable string, or call a function, or call it crazy things. Let's go back. Let's find other one. Let's find. Let's go here. Let's find other function. Let's go other contract. Let's go to the contract. Let me find. I don't know which. For example, sand. Let's see what sand. Oh, sand is game. Contract is little. I wanna, bro. Let me come here. Sand is a game contract. We see, but that's okay, bro. Let me see. The sandbox. Sandbox. For example, let's take contract. Here to reality. Let's get that. I'm going to contract. We wanna check. I'm saying open in remix to better track and trace here. Here. Let's wait. Looking for contracts verified on difference. I mean, contract address. Let's wait for. It's really hot here. Let's wait for. Big Daddy, internet, Big Daddy. And now it's fucked up. Bro, why? I say here, leave this. Okay, here we have here ERC20 execute is a version 5.9 version. We are going to set compiler to 5.9, which is our target there. Here 5.9. let's see, or we get wait a moment. We have here something missing, and that is this one. We need tell me meet yo, but I won't copy it, bro. Big Daddy we let me see here. I'm going to copy license identifier here. I put it there, but this is 5.9. What's problem? Because I have really slow PC. And now that's not matter. Okay, this is a contract. Function. We talk about this later. Here, this is okay now because I have a slowly PC. Now let's find constructor and let's see what constructor does in these functions, in this contract. Constructor. There is no constructor without constructor. Bro, where is constructor? There is no constructor. Is it possible here? Bro, everything is possible, but is that all? Oh, this is 8 file, bro. Okay, the first one, but I have it, I think, now. So I'm coming here, ERC, here, this is it. For example, let's check other files. Constructor. Let's find for pink one. What's this? This is, that was the first one. That the sand. Oh, constructor. Now you see all those classes, ERC, execution here, and here in this contract, this is going to call or implement all other contracts, and here constructor. Now he say admin. We wanna set admin. He say constructor wanna declare admin, address execution admin, and address beneficiary admin. Okay, mint. It say constructor in simple words say just set admin when the person, the wallet who deploy contract is the admin, and then execution admin. If I'm going to execution admin, you wanna see there is something supply, or here we have mint. But the case is I wanna just understand basic understanding what is constructor, and here the name of, okay, just we now know what's constructor and what constructor does. Have a nice day.